Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cody. You are turning 12. I am ready to make the requested yellow birthday cake with chocolate frosting. I was planning on getting the kids checked out of school in 2 hours from now. However, you know, Lincoln, his asthma was kind of acting up, huh?
I have a fever.
Couldn't breathe, have a little bit of a fever, so came and got everyone early. Cody, you look a little different than when you went to school. What's this?
My present from Kid, he got me Crocs. Look at these charms, they're so cool.
Yep, those are pretty cool.
My favorite. I like the helmet.
Okay, let me see like up close. Hold on, let me see the charms. Ooh, cool. Wait, what are they called?
Charms.
Charms? Okay, yeah, that's what I said.
Wait,
Got a
I
little
never knew the logo
birthday
was a crocodile.
sticker.
Sports mode or 4-wheel drive?
Okay, what are the other modes?
2-wheel drive.
Show me 2-wheel drive.
What about the other type of mode? I think that's the only mode. Okay. No, slipper mode.
That's 2-wheel drive.
Slip-on mode.
Okay. Which one's sports mode?
4-wheel. Since you can run.
What do you think of your cake?
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Okay, yeah. Seriously, I am very impressed with my own cake.
How many candles is in that?
I only had to do 3 layers also. There are 12.
Oh, so you get to put the whole pack in.
Do you want to see the price? You'll know exactly what it is when you see it. Yes, you will.
Positive?
Yeah.
I won't be surprised.
Don't. You don't even have to say.
You said it was one present,
Well.
but also here. Get over here. And then what's this one? From Mom and Dad. These two, both. Wait, Kate. Baby, I like the way that feels. Don't shake them. I wrap them. I think they're Legos.
Okay. That's from.
Boston and Lincoln.
And yep, from the kids. You know exactly what it is.
I know all of it is.
Except what? That's from Grandma and Grandpa Griffiths.
I know what this is. My mom, can you open that? Can you open one? Mom, can you open one?
Because of YouTube guidelines, you cannot open that on YouTube. But you know, your reaction, that's all I needed. That's all anyone needed. It's fine. Before the chaos ensues, Cody, you put all 10 of your candles on your cake.
Wait. Do smiley.
Just 10, Cody?
12.
Okay. Okay, Cody's gonna put all 12 candles on his birthday cake while we wait for everyone to get here.
This out.
Yes.
At Ellie's bed for Olivia's birthday. Cody went to Ellie's house and now she's coming here.
Lincoln, don't you dare. I think it kind of looks like a 2. Sure. Sure, we know. Yeah, okay, got it. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. Lincoln, move. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. What else you got up your sleeve? Do we ever do that?
I'm not pointing at you.
Okay. Got it.
That's it.
All right, Cody, happy birthday. Happy 12 years. Surprise. You're going to have to go through a lot of...
Yeah, Cody, you are,
Cody,
Do you want me to help you?
where's the lighter? You're gonna blow them out early.
Here, hold on.
You got a lighter somewhere?
Keep lighting them.
Yeah, there you go. Use a candle.
No, Mom, we don't need it.
Oh, yes, we do.
I have
Yeah,
the
we
fire
do.
extinguisher.
We don't got time for this.
Mommy.
We gotta. Oh, there we go. Mom's got the lighter. There you go, Code.
He's fine right there.
He wants to be up. He wants to
Get him
be
right
up
up in there.
Center.
He can sit
He can be up front here. No.
No, yeah. Climb up right there, bud. Oh, you got 2 more. Tip it. Yeah, I can use that one.
Dad.
We got it. There you go.
Okay.
Got him. Okay, we better.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cody. Happy birthday to you. Whoa!
Smoke alarms are gonna go off.
You don't get
That's
it
from Boston and
unless
Lincoln.
you guess what it is.
Fruity Tooties.
Okay.
Is it? Oh, yeah.
Those are the same year.
That's not from last year, is it?
No, that's all he asks for.
Tutti Fruities. All right. All right, Code. Let's open this one.
Yes, Grandma.
That's from Grandma and Grandpa Griffiths, and you don't get it unless you guess it. Okay.
Was it already open? Oh.
Yeah, I opened it, sorry.
Oh. Well, pull it out. Let's see what kind.
Kearshaw.
Kershaw.
Oh, is it Kearshaw?
Okay, I said it wrong.
Can't lose this one.
It looks big enough that it takes a.
So, what did you
Ooh.
what did you
Hey, we have the
just
same
figure
ones.
out?
I lost my Kearshaw knife. It was hooked onto my jeans, and then it fell off.
How did they know?
Hazard of the game.
Found it.
I have that exact orange one, bud. So we have twinners.
Can I light
Oh.
it? Oh, okay. Wait, there we go. Okay.
Read it out loud.
You okay?
There's no money in it, I'm sorry.
No, is this a page opener?
It's one of those fold cards. Oh, I
It
see.
says, love Grandma and
Words,
Grandpa
huh?
Hoellein.
So what's the card say, Tito?
Oh,
Read the card.
today's kind of a big deal.
Because it's your birthday.
So are you.
Look what I'm gonna do.
Wow.
Today's kind of a big deal, and so are you. That's what the card said.
Kids,
Thank you.
he doesn't know how to work a card. They're used to the automated ones, Grandma and Grandpa. They need a card to read themselves.
It's your fault. You trained them to open up to music and fireworks and all the things, so, you
I
know.
blew it.
They don't remember how they really work. Is this a book? What is
What are
this?
all these symbols on this piece of paper?
Left to right?
Letters?
You get mail.
Drawing pilot Boston.
Ooh.
Boston's like,
Holy
yeah.
cow. Boston. Cha-ching. Look at that.
I'll make sure to use this.
Now we need a road trip.
I have to go through my other one I got for Christmas.
Nice. Super cool.
Yesterday was Cody's birthday, and the party just doesn't stop, does it? So yesterday we had just like a really simple dinner with the family, kept it really simple. And what are we doing right now? Are we picking up?
We're picking up Nash, and then Sway's gonna meet us at our house, and then we're gonna go to Fly High, a jump zone place. Then we're gonna come back and do whatever.
Yeah, whatever. You heard it here, folks. The reason we're doing a party is because when we moved, Cody had some really solid friends, and they were good friends with all of our boys. And that was really hard when we decided to move. And so I told him, I said, when it's your birthday, we will have a party, and I will drive to pick them up, and I will drive to drop them back off. That way you can have a good party with your friends, because I want my kids to know how important it is to have good friends, and I'll go through some good effort to keep some good friends around.
Party! You went, I said, imagine he got you the pug. I remember getting this, and then I gave it to you, then you, the letter two.
The boys are in the back, literally.
Mom, so you know this
just
pug
got
that they
here.
have?
They got in the back seat, and they're just like opening presents. They're not waiting to sing. They're not waiting for like cake. They're just like they're just like opening the presents in the back. That was close! ended our night with razor rides, pizza, Nintendo. We could hardly find them. Did you have a? Did you? Okay. Did you have a good birthday?
I had a great birthday.
Okay.
It's been going on for 3 days now, so
Yeah, it's officially no longer your birthday, so you know we're closing this vlog and we're not looking back.
We got 365 days.
All the other kids are like, it's our turn to talk about our birthdays now. I'm like, no, it's not. Okay, good night, everybody. Cody, happy 12th. We'll see you all later. Bye, guys.
Bye.